Okay, if you haven't taken apart a MyMix before, here's how to do it, kind of step by step. My family is around and they're making noise, so I'm not going to narrate every part. I will just add subtitles later. So after this moment, no sound. And there you go, disassembled, in case you need to take it apart to service any of these parts, like the broken headphone jack, which is pretty common. Most people aren't using these jacks very much. These ones are fairly robust on this plate, so they don't tend to break, but there have been some broken Ethernet ports on the back for some, or the power adapter. So you can access them. Obviously, microsurgery here, microelectronic soldering is going to be required, but this is the main culprit that usually breaks on these, and you can repair it easily with a soldering iron. You don't need to take off absolutely everything that I did to get to that, but that's how you take this apart and reassemble it in reverse order. This has to sit in this little tray here, so as you're putting it back together, kind of pull that out, get the headphone jack aligned first, slide this into the chassis, and then slide the fan down inside, and that should be enough to keep it pretty happy.